This is a Drummond lathe built between 1908 and 1912. It's that version, you can tell, because it was the first one to have a compound slide on it. The earlier ones didn't have a compound slide. They just had a very simple slide. So here's the compound slide being demonstrated. Works reasonably well. The screws could really do with some lock nuts on them. And here is the carriage being demonstrated. You move that along with the handle on the end, which has a nice horn knob on it. It's been electrified, even though it was originally treadle, and it has a clutch. There's the clutch being demonstrated. This means that the motor is not being continually turned on and off, which is quite handy. The back gear arrangement, or countershaft rather, countershaft arrangement, is a separate unit which can be unbolted, so it could be turned to original. You can see the clutch working through there. It's got a 4-jaw chuck on it, about 4 inches if I remember correctly. And this is a dog clutch, which you would use if you had change wheels on it. You would use the dog clutch to set up the automatic feed or for screw cutting. It's also got back gear, so it's got 6 speeds. And there we are, there's the dog clutch operating. It's got a leather belt driving the main thing, and then a V-belt, and a orange hollow rubber belt driving the motor, because that seemed to be the best sort of thing for vibration. The motor is 1/4 horsepower, and I think it's the British Electric Motor Company, I'm not sure. And it's got quite a serious reduction there. That's a Myford pulley on it. Here is the clutch, the dog clutch, and that's it. Now it stops, but the motor keeps going, and then on again, and that's being driven with taper lock pulleys. And it's got a leather belt driving the main lathe as original. Some people use Z belts on it. It's got a 3.5-inch centre height and 16 inches between centres, and it's what's known as the pre-B or the flatbed. Rather elegant machine.